guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to go do real time really quick, just a little bit just to show you the cut file that I'm playing with today. It's the exclusive cut file for the Flavors of the Month kit this month for August, and it's called Welcome to Camp. It's by Cut to You, like I said, exclusive to the ScrapRoom and the Flavors of the Month kit. I'm actually going to play with Simple Vintage, Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Meadow flowers today. And so I'm kind of making a spread of my son and my husband. They set up the tent back in 2015. And so I've got some really cute pictures of my husband and my son playing in the tent and everything. So you'll see a few photos if you haven't already. I can't remember what order these are going in. But I wanted to actually do the cut file with this collection. I know it seems very muted and it doesn't really go, but I wanted kind of like a soft thing. So I've cut out the cut file on the provided cardstock in the kit, and if you want to see any breakdown of the kit, make sure you go check out the links down below to the YouTube channel and the kit breakdown videos. But what I think I'm going to do, because we have, it's technically like a white, but it's fig swirl cardstock, I think I might color my cut file, especially like the trees and maybe the moon and the stars. But I'm gonna play with a lot of the Simple Vintage Meadow flowers. So I'm going to actually, I think, do my tent out of this color, and then I was thinking about putting it all onto the yellow, and doing the trees out of the green. Yeah, I don't know what background I want to use, or what I want to use for a background. I actually might play with some of the add-on pattern papers. I have to look at those yet. So stay tuned. But I just wanted to show you the cut file before I did anything to it. But I definitely want to play and make like my moon and my stars and my fire out of this, the inside of my tent out of this, my trees. I want to back them with this beautiful green, and I wanted to back my tent actually with this. So yeah, I'm going to play a little bit. I'm going to get my cut file backed and everything. I apologize if you want to watch that part of the process. I'm not going to do that, but then I've got all my embellishments here. I've got this cute photo I'm going to stick right there. And this will just kind of be the end, or the beginning of the spread I have. The other pages, I'm going to have a pocket page. I'm going to use the kit, I can't think of what it's called right now, Shots of Life kit for the pocket page, and then I've got another layout I will do with another part of the Flavors of the Month kit, so you can check those out on my channel and on the ScrapRoom channel as well. But stay tuned, I'm going to get this backed and colored where I want, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, there is the cut file completely backed. I'm finishing up the little logs on the fire with, I backed that actually using one of the embellishments I got. Like, it was like an ephemera piece, and it was like stairs with some like florals and greenery on each side. So since I used the stairs for my wood, I will tuck those floral pieces, the rest of them, kind of on the sides of my cut file when I lay everything down. But I decided to opt, so I did pull in the add-on papers, and I used the blue from the paper add-on for my tent. Did I use anything else? And I did pull in embellishment add-ons as well, so I will use, there's like a sticker sheet you get for the embellishment add-ons, so I'll use some of those. But I had colored around the stars and moon with some yellow, pink fresh, I don't remember what color right now. Off the top of my head, I did the stars and the flames and the moon, and then I did the trees in the green, and I really like that. That helps just make them pop a little bit, because since I decided on this background paper, I'm realizing there's this giant watering can that's kind of in the way that I really don't want, but I really liked the torn paper and the butterflies and a little bit of the greenery that was kind of coming up out of the watering can. So I was like, why not just cover it up? And where do you usually put your tent? You put it on grass. So I'm going to use more of the green plaid, and I'm just going to tear it
and put it kind of on the bottom half of the paper to cover up most of the watering can, because then the Cutfile is doing the rest. And that worked out really well. I did a boo-boo and I did not cut my background paper good enough, and so it's like it's only bordered on 3 sides. I don't know how I did or what I was doing. I wasn't scrapping in my space because of our new puppy situation. I was scrapping at the dining room table, so I don't know if if I got distracted and wasn't paying attention. I don't really know. It was like all of a sudden I came back to it and I was like, what? I was already gluing it and I was like, why doesn't this line up? Anyway. But I'm really liking the way the Cutfile part is turning out and how it's looking, and how it kind of pops off the page. So I am popping the whole entire thing up on foam and adding a photo there tucked in with the tent and the trees. And then I got a lot of good little foam pieces. So we're using this true and then the happiness from the sticker sheet, as well as this fun little foam heart on like a wood circle. And then I got some ephemera bits. I'm using the insides of that were from the stars on the Cutfile. Actually, kind of when I was inking the edges, they inked up a little bit. So I'm going to add those as well to the background by them, so that I have a few extra stars by my stars and moon. And I will use up, you get some enamel dots in your kit. I'm going to use up a bunch of those. There's just a lot of fun little elements. And I really like the way this page turned out. It wasn't the conventional way to kind of use this Cutfile or the conventional type of papers or anything to use it, but I really like the look and feel it gave. It's going to look completely different from the other 12 by 12 page that's going to be near it that has about the same subject, and then of the pocket page that has the same subject, because they're using the Echo Park collection. But I really like the way this turned out. It turned out really, really good. So I just placed that Go Seek Find little ephemera piece that I had with this that I got in my kit, and then I can't see anything that's going on. That's the only thing that sucks about doing this little phone. Oh yeah, using the sticker sheet that I'm bringing in the happiness, so it says true happiness. Like I said, this is gonna go with 3 other, like 2 pocket pages, another 12 by 12, so it's not like I need journaling or anything on this, because I think my pocket pages are gonna have whatever journaling I need, and it's not like this huge story. But yeah, so here's some close-ups. One thing I did off camera is I did splatter with some tattered tattered angels. I think it was the, not canvas color, what's it called? Cork. I did do some splatters of that around, and that really added just a little bit to it. So yes, please check out all the links down below, and really appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.